Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Ahoj.
Bye.
Dovidenia.
Yes.
Áno.
No.
Nie.
Thank you.
Ďakujem.
You're welcome.
Prosím.
Sorry.
Prepáč.
How are you?
Ako sa máš?
Good.
Dobre.
Bad.
Zle.
It's okay.
Ujde to.
Maybe.
Možno.
Of course.
Samozrejme.
I.
Ja.
You.
Ty.
You.
Vy.
He.
On.
She.
Ona.
We.
My.
They.
Oni.
What?
Čo?
When?
Kedy?
Where?
Kde?
Why?
Prečo?
How?
Ako?
Quiz time.
Ty. Ty. Samozrejme. Samozrejme.
The answer is
Ďakujem. Ďakujem. Dovidenia. Dovidenia.
The correct answer is
Kedy? Kedy? Prepáč. Prepáč.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next video.